Hey guys, a few years ago, my wife and I, we went to Disney World and we went to Galaxy's Edge. We had the Star Wars blue milk and green milk. I loved it. My wife thought it was a bit weird, but I wanted to make it for you guys in the kitchen. I've never done it before. I don't know what it's going to taste like, but I can't wait to try. Not everyone can get over to Disney World, so I think if you can make it at home, you're going to love it. And for all the Star Wars fans, it's a must. So with this healthy smoothie, there's a few different ingredients. We've got pineapple, coconut cream, coconut water, we've got vanilla powder, and hopefully it tastes amazing. So we're gonna get our pineapple and we're gonna cut it up. If you can't get your hands onto some pineapple, some fresh pineapple, just use a can, that will be fine. And then we just cut our pineapple into small pieces. Now most blue milks on the internet are nasty, full of sugar, full of crap that you don't want, but for this one, it's gonna be nothing but healthy ingredients. So you cut your pineapple up and you can put it in your blender, or you can put it, I've got a Thermomix, so I'll use that. Either one will be fine. So put your pineapple in your blender. Now the next ingredient that we're going to use is coconut cream. So we're going to get a coconut cream. We're going to also put that in the blender. Then we're going to get, ooh, yummy. We're going to use some coconut water. We're going to use some salt. You always need to have a bit of salt. Just brings out the flavor. We're going to use some beautiful vanilla powder. If you've never used it before, you can get it on Amazon. You don't want to use too much. You just use a little. But it just goes so far, makes it so creamy and lovely. Now the last thing is, you want it to be blue. This is blue milk. We want it to be like Star Wars. We want it to be like Luke is drinking it. And but I don't want any nasty food coloring. So we bought this really cool thing. It's called butterfly pea flowers. And there's the packet. And these beautiful flowers, you put them in hot water or hot coconut water, and it turns the water to blue. So we'll have blue water for our drink. There we go. Look at that. How cool is that? So that makes sure that we have no nasties. So we'll put the lid on and we'll make our blue milk, eh? Cha-cha. And there we go. That was a bit noisy, wasn't it? And there we go. Let's see. I put it in this cup. I didn't even have a cup to put it in. So we'll just take the flowers out of there and we'll put it in here. I don't think it looks very blue though. Let's have a look. And there we go. It doesn't look blue. It looks like a yellow sludge. The recipe actually has ice in it, but I used hot, warm water, so we'll see how it tastes. Refreshing. It tastes nothing like it does at Disney parks, but hey, try it out.